So, dear students, in the previous slide we saw the word meaning. Now we will see the parts of speech in English grammar. We have around eight. The first is noun, second pronoun, third one is adjective, next is verb, adverb, next interjection, conjunction, prepositions. Now in today's class we are going to learn four parts of speech. The first one is noun. So, what is a noun generally? Students, noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. So, it is going to tell the name of a word, person, place, or a things, which tells noun is going to denotes, tells us the name of a person, then place, and a thing. For example, Bangalore is a place. Horse is the name of an animal. Rama is a person name. Shweta. Table is a name of a thing. Book, etc. So these are the names which is going to be denoted by a noun. As these are the names of a particular thing, place, or a person. So this is the noun form. So noun, what it tells? Noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. Example, Raman is a clever boy. In this sentence, Raman is a noun. The word noun is which is the word in this sentence? Raman. Similarly, Bombay is a big city. In this, the Bombay is a noun form. So, what we learnt? The word noun is a name of a person, place, or a thing. Next, in order to replace the name of a person or a place or a thing, we will use a pronoun. Pronoun is going to pronoun. Pronoun. Pronoun is the word which going to replaces of a noun. Instead of noun, you are going to use the pronoun. So pronoun is used in place of a noun, as I said, or a phrase to avoid the repetition. You can't say Rama is studying in 8th standard. Rama is comes at school at 9 p.m. Rama sits at the first bench. Rama writes neatly. So you can't say repeatedly the person's name, you can't use. So instead of that, you can use the word pronoun. So which are the words you can use in place of noun then? Example, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, me, us, them, him, her, this, etc. In case of pronoun, these are the words is used in place of noun. So in place of noun, we are going to use the pronoun. Those are the words like I, you, we, they, she, it, and so on. Example, Mary is tired. She wants to sleep. This is the example for pronoun. Instead of we are telling Mary is tired, Mary wants to sleep, we can use Mary is tired, she. Here pronoun the she wants to sleep is being used. So this is a pronoun. Now we shall move on to the next one, that is adjective. What does the adjective says? It's a describing word. It is going to tell us what it tells us about a thing, about a person, about a place. So an adjective describes or modifies or gives us about what information about a noun or a pronoun. So an adjective is going to describes, it is going to defines or modifies or gives us information about a noun or pronoun. Example, big, happy, green, young, fun, then crazy, three, like this. So big, happy, green, young, fun, crazy, three. So these are the words which is going to describe a pronoun or the noun. So adjective is a describing word. Dear students, let us see examples of adjective. They live in a beautiful house. Second one, Ben is an adorable baby. Pinky's hair is gorgeous. This glass is breakable. He is a fast driver. My brother is a brave boy. My cat has brownish eyes. So here the beautiful, adorable, gorgeous, breakable, fast, brave, brownish. All these are the adjective words which are going to describe a noun or pronoun. Dear students, till now we saw what is noun, what is pronoun, what is adjective. Now we'll move on to the verb. What is the verb? It's a action word. A verb shows an action or state of being. A verb shows what someone or something is doing. I repeat, a verb shows an action or state of being. A verb shows what someone or something is doing. This is the action word, that is verb. Like what? Go, speak, run, eat, play, live, walk, have, like, or these, etc. These are the examples of action word, that is verb. Okay children, as we saw the word meaning, that is verb is a action word which is going to tell us about or shows that how does someone or something, what is being done or what is doing. So for example, I speak English fluently. Ram, do you like to watch TV? They walk in their garden. How often do you go to temple? Do they have to go to bus stand? Do you like to go to jogging? They speak loudly. How many roses are there in the garden? Rose plants are there in the garden. They eat dinner after the school. We walk gently. So these are the examples of verb or the action which was going to tells us what one is doing or what actually is being done. Now we saw noun, pronoun, adjective and verb. In the next class we are going to learn few more parts of speech. Okay, please go through the video and listen to the audio properly. Have a cheerful day. Thank you.